Hey there, welcome to our video on the top lessons from the classic self-help book, Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill. If you're looking to improve your success in any area of your life, then this video is for you. This book has helped countless individuals achieve their goals and live a more fulfilling life, and in this video, we're going to be breaking down the most important lessons from the book so that you can start applying them in your own life today. So, whether you're looking to improve your finances, career, or personal relationships, make sure you stay tuned because this video is going to be packed with valuable information that you don't want to miss. Let's get started. Lesson 1, the importance of having a definite purpose. In this first lesson of Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill emphasizes the importance of having a clear purpose or goal in life. According to Hill, having a definite purpose gives you direction and helps you stay focused on what's important. Successful people have a clear understanding of what they want to achieve and a plan for getting there. They have a purpose that drives them forward, and they don't let anything get in their way. To illustrate the importance of having a definite purpose, let's take the example of starting a successful business. To make that happen, you need to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. What products or services do you want to offer? Who is your target market? What steps do you need to take to reach your goal? Having a clear understanding of these things will help you stay focused and motivated, even when obstacles arise. It's also important to note that having a definite purpose doesn't mean you can't change or adjust it as you go along. Your purpose can evolve and change over time, as long as you have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and what steps you need to take to get there. To give you an example of someone who has a definite purpose, let's take the example of Elon Musk. He had a definite purpose of revolutionizing transportation and making life multiplanetary. He founded PayPal, Tesla, SpaceX, and other companies to achieve his purpose, and he never gave up despite the obstacles he faced along the way. This shows how having a definite purpose can drive you to achieve great things, even in the face of adversity. Lesson 2, the importance of having a burning desire. According to Napoleon Hill, having a strong, burning desire is a critical component of success. Your desire for success needs to be so strong that it drives you forward, no matter what obstacles you face along the way. Hill says that a burning desire is the starting point of all achievement. It's the spark that ignites the fire of success. But how do you develop a burning desire for something? Well, the first step is to identify what it is that you truly want. This may take some time, but it's important to be clear and specific about what you want. Once you have a clear idea of what you want, it's time to start developing a strong emotional attachment to it. This means getting in touch with the feelings that you would have if you achieved your goal. Imagine what it would feel like to have the success you desire. Visualize it in your mind and let those positive emotions fuel your desire. Let's take the example of Michael Jordan. He had a burning desire to become the best basketball player in the world. He worked hard, day in and day out, to achieve his goal. He faced obstacles and challenges along the way, but his burning desire to succeed kept him motivated. In the end, his hard work and determination paid off, and he became one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Research has shown that people who have a strong desire for something are more likely to achieve it than those who don't. When you have a strong desire, you're more likely to take the necessary steps to achieve your goal, and you're more likely to persist in the face of adversity. Lesson 3, the power of faith. Napoleon Hill says that faith is a crucial ingredient in the recipe for success. Faith is the belief in something greater than yourself, a belief in a higher power, or a belief in yourself and your own abilities. When you have faith, you're able to overcome any obstacle and achieve anything you set your mind to. Let's take the example of Thomas Edison. He faced numerous setbacks and failures in his quest to invent the light bulb, but he never lost faith in himself or his abilities. He believed in his goal, and he kept trying and experimenting until he finally succeeded. Today, he's remembered as one of the greatest inventors in history, and it's all because of his faith. Studies have shown that people with strong faith are more resilient and better able to handle life's challenges. When you have faith, you have a sense of purpose and a reason to keep going, even when things get tough. And when you have faith in yourself, you have the confidence to pursue your dreams and achieve your goals. So, if you want to achieve success, it's important to cultivate faith in yourself and in something greater than yourself. This can be a spiritual belief, a belief in your own abilities, or a belief in a higher power. Whatever it is, having faith will give you the strength and the courage to overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. Lesson 4: The power of persistence. According to Napoleon Hill, persistence is the key to success. Persistence is the determination to keep going, no matter what obstacles you may face along the way. When you're persistent, you don't give up when things get tough, and you keep pushing forward towards your goals. Studies have shown that persistent people are more likely to achieve their goals. When you're persistent, you have a mindset of resilience and determination, and you don't let setbacks and failures discourage you. Instead, you use those challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, and you keep pushing forward towards your goals. So, if you want to achieve success, it's important to be persistent. Keep pushing forward, no matter what obstacles you may face, and don't give up on your dreams. With persistence, you'll be able to overcome any challenge and achieve your goals. Lesson 5: The power of decision. Making decisions is one of the most important skills you can develop on your journey to success. According to Napoleon Hill, the power of decision is the ability to make a choice and stick to it, no matter what. When you make a decision, you're setting your mind on a course of action, and you're committing yourself to seeing it through. This kind of unwavering resolve is what sets successful people apart from those who struggle to achieve their goals. Studies have shown that people who make decisions and stick to them are more likely to achieve their goals. When you make a decision, you have a clear sense of direction, and you're able to focus your efforts and resources on achieving your goal. You become more efficient with your time and energy, and you're able to avoid distractions and stay on track. And when you stick to your decision, you're demonstrating your commitment and determination, and you're more likely to see it through to success. So, what does this mean for you? If you want to achieve success, it's important to make decisions and stick to them. Choose a goal, set your mind on a course of action, and commit yourself to seeing it through, no matter what. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Instead, have the courage to make a decision and follow through with it. With the power of decision, you'll be able to overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. Lesson 6: The power of a mastermind alliance. A mastermind alliance is a group of individuals who come together to support and encourage each other toward success. Napoleon Hill emphasized the importance of this concept as a powerful tool for overcoming obstacles, achieving goals, and reaching new levels of success. When like-minded individuals come together, they can leverage each other's knowledge, experience, and skills to help achieve common goals. Building a mastermind alliance is a key factor in reaching success. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals who share your aspirations and beliefs can provide encouragement, motivation, and the ability to learn from others. In this way, you'll be able to overcome challenges and reach new heights in your personal and professional life. So, if you're looking to achieve success, consider forming a mastermind alliance. Bring together like-minded individuals and work together to achieve your goals. With the power of a group behind you, the possibilities are endless. Lesson 7: The importance of specialized knowledge. Specialized knowledge refers to expertise in a specific area or skill. In today's world, having specialized knowledge has become increasingly important in achieving success. In the book, Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill emphasizes the importance of continuously acquiring new knowledge and skills to achieve your goals and stay ahead of the competition. By developing specialized knowledge in a particular area, you can position yourself as an expert in your field and become sought after by others. This, in turn, can lead to increased opportunities and higher earnings. In addition, having specialized knowledge can also increase your confidence and self-esteem, helping you to overcome obstacles and achieve greater success. So, if you're looking to achieve success, it's important to invest time and energy in acquiring specialized knowledge. Whether it's through formal education, training programs, or self-study, continuously learning and developing your skills can lead to greater opportunities and success in life. Lesson 8: The Power of the Subconscious Mind. The subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can be harnessed to achieve success and live a fulfilling life. Napoleon Hill argues in Think and Grow Rich that the subconscious mind is the seat of our habits, beliefs, and emotions, and it has the power to shape our lives. By tapping into the power of the subconscious mind, we can change our limiting beliefs, overcome negative emotions, and create new habits that support our goals. The subconscious mind works 24/7 and is always processing information, even when we're not consciously aware of it. To harness the power of the subconscious mind, it is important to understand how it works. The subconscious mind does not discriminate between positive and negative thoughts, it simply accepts and acts on what it is fed. So, if you want to change your life, you need to feed your subconscious mind with positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. One way to do this is through visualization. Visualization involves imagining yourself in a future state, where you have already achieved your goals. This helps to create a positive image in your subconscious mind and attracts success and abundance into your life. Another way to tap into the power of the subconscious mind is through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself on a daily basis. They help to replace negative thoughts and beliefs with positive ones, and reinforce the power of your subconscious mind. The power of the subconscious mind is a critical component of success and a key principle in Think and Grow Rich. By tapping into the power of the subconscious mind, you can overcome negative thoughts and emotions, create new habits that support your goals, and attract abundance and success into your life. So there you have it, the 8 most important lessons from Think and Grow Rich. I hope you found these lessons useful and inspiring, and I encourage you to read the book for yourself to get a deeper understanding of these concepts. Remember, success is within reach for everyone who is willing to work hard and apply these principles in their life. So don't hesitate to start working towards your goals today. And, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all of my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.